Hi, I'm Englewood City Manager Shawn Lewis, and I wanted to take a few minutes to tell you some of the things that the City of Englewood is doing in response to the ongoing COVID-19 emergency. First and most importantly, last night on Tuesday, March 17th, the City Council approved an emergency declaration. That's important for two reasons. First of all, it allows our local businesses to have access to state and federal resources such as grants and loans. Secondly, it allows me as the city manager to take certain actions to protect public health and safety. For instance, we've started by closing all city buildings. This prevents the public from congregating in our buildings and also protects our staff to prevent the spread of the virus. Even though city buildings are closed, the work of the city goes on. While many of our staff members are working from home, all of our critical infrastructure and most of our offices and facilities are being manned by a skeleton crew. We're fully staffed at the police stations, fire stations, wastewater treatment plant, and the water treatment plant. All other departments are staffing so that we can continue answering phone calls, emails, and responding to the needs of the community. City leaders are meeting on a daily basis with our partners at the Office of Emergency Management of Arapahoe County, which is the emergency management office that provides services to Englewood. We're also meeting daily with Emergency Manager Lisa Clay, who's continuing to provide us with daily updates as well as information about the spread of the virus and precautions we should be taking. The Office of Emergency Management is also staying in constant contact with Tri-County Health Department, the Office of Emergency Management at the state, as well as the Colorado Department of Health. As you know, Governor Polis has ordered the closure of bars, restaurants, gyms, and theaters in the state. While Englewood has no plans to close additional businesses, we wanted to let you know what we're doing to try to help the business community, particularly those restaurants that have been impacted. Starting today, we're launching a campaign that you can find on social media or the City of Englewood website that really helps citizens know what businesses are providing delivery services, takeout services, and drive-through services. We're also working with the Englewood Chamber that's maintaining a list of their members providing those services, and you can continue to watch both the Chamber of Commerce website and the city website for more information about how you can support local businesses. Also, to assist businesses in the community, the City of Englewood staff will be proposing to City Council a project to change our business improvement grants to business assistance grants. As you know, we provide a number of grants to businesses throughout the year under normal circumstances. We're converting those grant programs to business assistance programs to provide small mini grants to businesses that have been directly affected by the coronavirus. Anytime there's an emergency situation in any community, there are always a lot of rumors and misinformation that go around. We want to encourage you to have the right information and to check sources when you hear things that don't sound quite right. You can do that by contacting our communications team at the city. Please continue to check the Centers for Disease Control website for information about how to protect yourself, your family, and the larger community. You can also check the City of Englewood for the latest updates on our response to the coronavirus. Be well, Englewood.